Here is a video on how to assemble your washing machine gift box. It's a piece of vinyl. You can use duct tape or tape. I just cut it out to go on the back of this one. So we'll go here, and then the other side will go right here so it opens and closes. So we're going to set this aside for now. We're going to start with the side piece. And I do use chipboard. I put it on there with a glossy shine paper and then print it off and then put it on a chipboard before cutting and then cut it out, and so it's a little bit sturdier. I'm going to take the hot glue gun and run glue on the edge. And then make sure to, I always like to kind of put it on there, get it in, and then get a good line up. And see, the lines added up. And then when the glue dries, you can just peel it away. Then we are going to go and assemble the second side the same exact way. Make sure the wording is right. Side up. And then same thing, just hold it in place until it dries. And if you want, you can go back over and just kind of make sure it's in the corner so you don't have anything to worry about. It just takes a little bit longer to dry because it's more glue. Line it up. And then move to the bottom piece. I left the bottom piece blank because you're not going to see it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and glue the bottom in place. I'm going to start at one edge, so I'm going to add the glue to this. Once it's like in a good spot, you're gonna line the rest of it up and run the glue along the inside, on the side, and the backs. Wait for it to dry. And that's what it looks like. At this time, I like to take my vinyl piece and this, you're gonna line it just where you can't see it. And then hold it back. Take this and line it up with the box, and then push down. Now the top opens. And closes. Then you take your final piece, open your washer, and you're going to glue this piece down. Line it up on one corner, use your glue, come in and do a corner of it. You can see how it's pushing out a little bit. That's just going to lock it into place for us. There we go. And don't touch the glue until it's dry, because you can come back in and just cut it right off. Okay, once that side is done, you should be able to you can pull the glue off once it's dry. Once that side's done, you should be able to flip your box up so you can glue the rest of it all together in place. And I just take the glue gun, go into the bottom corner, and run a bead along that. Once that's dry, I just go into the bottom and do the same thing. Hold it in place until it's all set. Now you have your washer box. And the same thing can be done to make a dryer. You would just put this piece up here and this piece down here. And now you can fill it with whatever you want.